Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2 with Tikka.
Hey little Tikka. Hello. You on the couch with me? This is my lap. This is Tikka sitting next to my lap. Little shorty. Oh, look at that face.
So I'm saying this as much to remind myself as to give you information. I think that the day of the Vlogmas, so Vlogmas Day 1, Vlogmas Day 2, is the day that it goes live, rather than that it is a specific day. Oh my god, I'm confusing myself. But like, Day 1, which is going live tomorrow, was the vlog from yesterday and today. And this is Vlogmas Day 2, which is today and tomorrow, and is going to go live the day after tomorrow. Do you still follow? Welcome to Cooking with Iris. Well, actually, it's going to be lunch prep again first, and then we're going to make macaroni met worstjes. Lunch is done, so that can go in the fridge. We are snacking seaweed snacks. Oh, this is the last one. It's kind of like plastic, but it's made of seaweed. Do you want to have one? Yeah. Does it taste nice?
It tastes like seaweed snacks.
It tastes like Scooby snacks.
It tastes like seaweed snacks.
It tastes like seaweed snacks, yeah.
And it's nice.
It's nice. Okay. And now we're gonna do cooking. Do you know what we're eating?
No.
Macaroni met worstjes. My secret to healthy but easy cooking: frozen vegetables. So I'm basically making a red sauce, and then I throw in loads of vegetables from the freezer, cut up some fresh onions, add some olives, and then I add the worstjes are these frankfurters, and the macaroni is pasta. So, and then I do, I batch cook 2 portions, as in like, well, 10 portions, because there's 5 of us. So 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 portions. So we can eat it again either tomorrow or on Thursday. And that makes my life easier. Are we playing Minecraft? We're playing 10 minutes of Minecraft. What have we got here?
We have shoes.
And why are there carrots in the shoe? You need to start singing. Sinterklaas kapoentje. This will go part of the blooper. Sinterklaas kapoentje, gooi wat in mijn schoentje, gooi wat in mijn laarsje, dank u Sinterklaasje.
Okay.
So we're hoping that Sinterklaas is going to put something into the shoe. And why are the carrots in the shoe?
For the horses.
For the horses. I think he's only got 1 horse, but
Yeah, he's got 1 horse. Every child, every carrot.
okay, that was all interesting. There were many meltdowns, not mine. And now I'm gonna go back to editing yesterday's vlog. Look, I did it! It clocks in at 11 minutes 47, which is not bad. There were about 60 clips. I was going to go into this Vlogmas thing easy. Like I'm gonna ease myself in and try not to film too much stuff. But like when you're doing montages, it's so easy to get just like 20 clips for like 1 minute of footage. But anyway, I did it. So vlog number 1 is in the bag. This is vlog number 2. We're doing well. So I'm going to just set my computer to like my very loud computer. I know I've talked about it before. I'm gonna just set it to export the vlog. I'm going to read a new book. I finished the previous book and I am now reading this, which I was afraid I wouldn't be very into because it's like kind of like magic fantasy stuff, which I'm not that into usually, but this is gripping from page 1, so I can't wait to read more. So I'm gonna do that now.
Don't tell anyone about, I can't even talk. Don't tell anyone about my terrible bad habits.
Hello, my lovely people. It is Wednesday, the 1st of December. Yay! I have been cranking this morning. I did the digital download for my patrons, which I was a bit behind on. I usually like to have that done by the end of the month so it can go live at the beginning of the month, but I was busy with vlogging and other things, so I cranked it out this morning. I got Vlogmas episode 1 up, and so that was good, and did a little news blast. I've decided I usually send like a notification email to let people on my mailing list know that I have done a new vlog. But if I'm going to be vlogging every day, that just adds too much to my workload. So I'm not going to be doing that. So I basically let people know to subscribe and turn on notifications if they want to keep up to date with my Vlogmas vlogs. I'm out of breath because I ran up the stairs. I also kind of was thinking like, oh, I've been so busy all morning, but I only did those 2 things. I mean, not only, but like, you know, it didn't feel like enough to have filled my time. But I realized that there's usually quite a lot of things that I do that I don't write down on my to-do list, so I don't tick them off. So it's almost as if like they just kind of slot in between things, like responding to YouTube comments, answering emails, sending out news blasts about new vlogs and stuff. Like I don't necessarily write those down. Oh, and like creating Instagram stories. All of those feel like kind of like in between things that you just kind of do in between, and yet they really take up lots of time. But anyway, I am now going to, I'm in 2 minds. Like I want to do some art, but I also need to record a lesson for a course I'm teaching on in January. Or no, I'm not teaching on it in January, I'm teaching on it in February, I think, but the deadline is January. So I really want to do that now, and I think I might. But maybe what I'll do probably is I will do a little bit of art for myself just as a warm-up, and then I will go into the filming of that lesson, because I always, if I roll the camera straight away, it feels quite nerve-wracking and like, oh, don't know what to do. So I think I'll do a little bit of like art, brainstorming, stuff like that. But before I go and do that and we go into the montage section, I wanted to ask for some advice. I want a new pen. So I have this nice fountain pen. I love this pen. It is my favorite, but it is not waterproof. And I'm looking for a kind of a companion pen that is waterproof, but that has certain properties. So I don't mind what type of pen it is, but I want it to be really a pen that flows very easily, because I get RSI really quickly, so I can't really use ballpoints for doing lots of writing. So I'm thinking probably some kind of fine liner, or maybe even a fountain pen with permanent ink. I'm not sure, but if you have any pen recommendations that are like ergonomic and flow easily on the page and are waterproof, I would really love to know. Tell me your favorite pens. I'm not married to any specific color, I don't really care. I just need it to be smooth. And also another thing, One thing I don't like about certain pens, and that specifically happens with fine liners, and also to a certain extent with ballpoints, is that when you hold your pen like this, like at an angle, the ink doesn't flow properly. So you have to hold the pen like this, but for me that doesn't feel ergonomic. So that's why I love writing with this, because I can really hold the pen like this and it flows really nicely, and you don't have to hold it like this in order to get the ink out or get the whatever. Anyway, that's a long story. Let's get into the art montage. Let's do it. This frame is actually quite nice. I'm gonna wrap up the vlog, but before I do that, I wanted to give a shout out to a few people who I know are doing Vlogmas as well. I obviously don't have time to watch their vlogs, but I know that they're doing it, so I just wanted to do a shout out because I think it's a cool thing. So the person who got me into vlogging in the first place, Roxanne Coble by Bun, she's doing Vlogmas over on her Patreon, and it's really cool, and I watch her vlogs whilst I eat my breakfast, and it's great. I do actually watch her vlogs, I do make time for that. Dread Pirate Bri is doing vlogs, she's doing Vlogmas, yay! Lovisa Callerholt is doing Vlogmas, again, yay. Romani is doing Vlogmas, and I don't know if the next person is actually doing Vlogmas, maybe she's just doing vlogs, but she's my ex-coaching client, Tamara from Ruskea Art, Ruskea? Don't kill me for mispronouncing it. I have done art, as you saw. I have done some prepping for this lesson I want to film, but now it is 1 o'clock and I know I need to go and eat lunch before I do anything else, otherwise I'll become really grumpy. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to close out this vlog. Thank you very much for watching my second Vlogmas vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!